You're going to need to side slip.
Side slip. Wind is coming from
That way now, yep.
that way. So I'm going to go left rudder, right aileron.
Yep. And you're coming in from orbit. Jesus, we're high. All right, so now there's a little bit of crosswind on this runway, right? You remember, you know your crosswind inputs?
Yeah.
Good. All right, we're gonna dump that last notch of flap there.
For the crosswind input, I'm going to hold my aileron into the wind with the opposite rudder.
Yep. All right, we are still way too high. Overshoot, flaps 10.
Shoot. Flaps 10.
Full power.
Flaps 10, full power.
Golf Papa Oscar is overshooting 07.
Golf Papa Oscar, rudder.
All right, let's hope to not do that again. Okay? Now, because you overshot, what's going to happen at this point is don't follow the 500-foot rule.
Okay.
Okay? Otherwise, you're going to have no downwind. So just climb out. You can climb out to circuit altitude even if you'd like, and then we'll start our crosswind. All right, so we're gonna pitch the nose down and put the flap up.
Start my crosswind.
Yep.
15.
You can go full 30 now because you're not climbing, right?
Okay. Right about there. And downwind.
Give it a little bit more.
Oh, okay.
That's good here.
Downwind.
Windsor Tower, Golf Romeo Kilo, Quebec. Holding short, runway 12 on Alpha, ready for takeoff. Romeo Kilo, Quebec Tower, runway length remaining from Alpha 3,670 feet. Are you able to depart from the intersection? That's affirmative, Golf Romeo Kilo, Quebec. Romeo Kilo, Quebec Tower, line up runway 12 at Alpha.
Alright, downwind check.
Downwind check. Circuits, master, mags,
Romeo Kilo, Quebec
lights,
Tower, so
doors,
you want to left turn out to the river, and then you're going to go
screen,
down the river to the
extra
casino, and
rich,
then where do you want to go?
both, fuel shut off in, autopilot off.
Windsor Tower, Golf Romeo Kilo, Quebec. Left turn to the casino, following the river west, all the way around the bend to Leamington. Then I'll cut across from Leamington to Stony Point and back. Okay.
We're going to go first notch of flaps.
Romeo Kilo, Quebec Tower, not about 2,500 in the zone. Left turn to the river from Alpha, cleared takeoff, runway 12. Golf Romeo Kilo, Quebec.
Clear 110, first notch of flaps.
Golf Papa Oscar, left downwind, just turning base here for 07. Touch and go with the option as same as the last one if possible. .1500 RPM, that's going to screw you up too.
Golf Papa Oscar, tower cleared for the option, runway 07.
Golf Papa Oscar. Alright.
For 70. A second.
Romeo Kilo, Quebec, just stay on the runway heading, I'll tell you when to start your left turn. Golf Romeo Kilo, Quebec.
Second notch flaps.
If you need them, you're the boss.
For 70.
Okay, so what's going to happen is you're going to touch down, and once you apply full power, as soon as you lift off the ground, I'm going to pull the engine on you, and you're going to try to touch back down again, okay?
Okay.
Alright, you're too high.
Yes. Idle?
Yes.
Romeo Kilo, Quebec Tower, you can start a left-hand turn. I want you to just follow County Road 42 there beneath you, eastbound for now. Golf Romeo Kilo, Quebec, say again. Romeo Kilo, Quebec, see that road just beneath you going east? I just want you to follow that for a bit. Roger. Roger, Golf Romeo Kilo, Quebec.
So the wind is coming a little bit this way.
Okay.
So on your flare, you're going to be needing a little bit of left rudder, a tiny little bit, and right aileron.
Yep, roger. 70. Touch, don't let her touch, don't let her touch.
Up. Alright, a little bit flat again.
Okay.
Landed a little too fast.
Flaps up.
Yep.
Flaps
Just
up.
do your normal touch and go.
Slowly increase full power. Rotate.
Simulated engine failure.
Okay. Failure.
Romeo Kilo, Quebec Tower, you can turn your left to the river, report at the bridge.
Let her touch, let her touch, let her touch.
Okay.
And down
now,
full power.
Full power.
Full power.
Go up again.
Slowly, full power. Up.
Good. Okay, how you feeling?
Good, that was actually kind of cool.
Yeah,
When you pulled it and then you got to come back in, that's kind of cool.
That might happen to you.
Yeah, no, I like that.
Hawk, he's about just beyond Luzon Parkway heading northbound. Start your left turn as soon as safely able.
Go ahead.
Drop Papa Oscar, starting now. And with the traffic, I'll Papa Oscar.
15.
You're at 25.
Traffic in the left-hand circuit from runway 07 on a tight crosswind heading northbound now. He's off to your left, shouldn't be a factor. Golf Romeo Kilo, Quebec, we'll watch for traffic.
Okay, level out.
Yep.
Okay, full stop. Now, if you take off, if you have an engine failure like under 500 feet, you technically have to try to land anywhere in front of you. If you won't have enough runway, like we just had plenty of runway, right? If you don't have enough runway, you have to aim for greenery. So if you're aiming that way, don't aim for houses, aim for trees, parks, something like that. If you run into a house, you're dead, and so is everybody in there, okay? But if you aim for a park or something like that, you're gonna be all right. It's gonna hurt, okay? But, or a tree even, you'll be all right. Well, not like full blown into the tree, but like, you know, try to land on top of the trees kind of thing.
Yep.
Then you'll be all right. If you find a grass field, go right for it. If there's kids on the grass field, don't go for it.
Roger. So downwind check. So mags both, master on, circuit breakers in, lights, alt air, mixture rich, fuel selector both, fuel shut off in.
And you're gonna do the call.
Pilot off.
Post up.
07?
Golf Papa Oscar, left downwind 07. I'd like to switch to final 12 for full stop if possible. Golf Papa Oscar, tower cleared to land, runway 12. Golf Papa Oscar, thank you.
All right, go ahead.
Roger.
So we're gonna take 12.
So we're gonna take 12.
1500 RPM.
1500 RPM.
You can't forget the steps.
And go for 70.
Good. Now, one notch of flap.
110, one notch of flap.
And trim.
And go for 70.
Now level your wings to see where's that runway. We're passing it? Alright, so sharper left turn.
Roger.
Because we're landing on 12 now, remember?
Roger.
And pull the nose up so you can get that 70 knots in there. The faster you're going, the more ground you're covering in the least amount of time, right?
For 70. 70.
Second notch of flap.
Flaps. 70.
A little bit high.
Power idle.
Yeah, if you want.
70. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Don't let her touch. touch, don't let her touch, don't let her touch. Up, 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 up.
Nice. Okay. A lot better.
Okay. I think I stopped breathing with the last few seconds of the flare.
Yeah.
So we're gonna...
Golf Papa Oscar Tower Taxi Foxtrot Golf Monitor Ground.
Golf Papa Oscar. Okay. Yep, we'll get off here. If he doesn't tell you...
Exit runway as soon as able.
Yeah, just turn right, exit, and just wait after the, like, you know, where you do your post-landing checks?
Yep.
Go ahead and do that. And just stop there and then contact ground and let them know where you are and you want to get to the club.
Okay. We're going to stop just after the whole short line here.
Yep. You're going to do your
post-landing.
Yep.
Post-landing flaps up. Mixture lean. Ending time record. But what time is it?
We landed at 12:32.
12:32.
Kilo Quebec Tower report leaving the zone south of LaSalle.
Okay, perfect. So, taxi instruction. So, Windsor ground, Golf Papa Oscar request taxi instruction.
Oh, we already got him.
Oh, okay. So,
if you hadn't gone it to us, then we do that.
Okay, back to the flying club.
Yep.
It's warm in here, man. I'm sweating.
Yeah. Being nervous will do that to you. Alright, we're gonna go and fill her up.
Okay.
Alright, I have control.
You have control?
A little bit close to the pump there. You want to aim for the middle of the white and the grass.
Oh, okay.
With this one and the Tomahawk and the Chipmunk, it's the same thing.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, you have control?
I have control. So, shut down GPS off. Avionics off.